Welcome to our exploration of the Moon, Earth's steadfast companion. This celestial body has captivated humanity for millennia, influencing culture, science, and exploration. From the moment our ancestors first gazed up at the night sky, the Moon has been a source of wonder and inspiration, a celestial lantern illuminating our nights. Its silvery glow has sparked the imagination of poets, artists, and dreamers throughout history. As we embark on this journey, we'll uncover the Moon's profound influence on Earth, its role in shaping human culture, and its significance in the ongoing quest for knowledge and exploration beyond our home planet. The Moon is Earth's only natural satellite and the fifth largest moon in the solar system. Orbiting at an average distance of about 238,855 miles, it exerts a gravitational pull that is crucial for life on our planet. This gravitational influence stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, which helps regulate our seasons and climate. Without the Moon, our days might be shorter, our tides less pronounced, and our environment could be drastically different. The Moon's presence creates a stable environment that has allowed life to flourish. It plays a critical role in fostering biodiversity, as the ebb and flow of tides nourish countless ecosystems, from coastal wetlands to coral reefs. The Moon's gravity generates tidal forces, creating rhythmic ocean currents that impact marine life worldwide. These tidal movements are vital for the health of various species, influencing feeding patterns, migration routes, and even reproductive cycles. For early humans, the changing tides were not merely natural phenomena, they were markers of time, guiding fishermen and farmers as they aligned their activities with the lunar cycles. Throughout history, the Moon has been a navigational aid for seafarers who relied on its phases to chart their courses. The ancient mariners understood that the Moon's position in the sky could help them find their way across vast oceans, showcasing its practical importance. As the Moon orbits Earth, it transitions through distinct phases: new, crescent, first quarter, gibbous, and full. Each phase has inspired countless myths and stories across cultures, reflecting humanity's deep-rooted connection to this luminous body. The full moon, in particular, has been celebrated in festivals and rituals, symbolizing everything from fertility to renewal. In many cultures, the moon has been personified, regarded as a deity or a powerful spirit. For example, in ancient Roman mythology, Luna was the goddess of the moon, while in Hindu tradition, Chandra embodies the lunar aspects of life. The moon's presence in folklore and mythology illustrates how it has shaped our understanding of nature and the cosmos. The moon's surface is a record of our solar system's history, filled with craters, maria, and highlands. Each feature tells a story about the impacts and geological processes that have shaped it over billions of years. The dark plains, or maria, are ancient lava flows, while the bright highlands are heavily cratered and represent some of the oldest lunar material. By studying these formations, we gain insight into not only the moon's evolution, but also the history of our planet and the solar system. The presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters and the chemical composition of lunar rocks provide valuable information about the moon's origins and the conditions present in the early solar system. The Moon was the site of humanity's first steps beyond Earth. The Apollo missions, beginning in 1969, showcased our ability to explore and learn. Astronauts left their footprints in the lunar dust, and the samples they brought back continue to yield scientific insights that challenge our understanding of geology and planetary science. Each Apollo mission contributed to a growing body of knowledge, inspiring generations to look toward the stars and consider the possibilities of space exploration. The success of these missions not only demonstrated our technological prowess, but also united people around a shared goal. The iconic image of Earth rising over the lunar horizon from Apollo 8 reminds us of our fragile place in the cosmos and fosters a sense of global stewardship. The lunar rocks and soil have revealed much about the moon's formation and its relationship with Earth. Analyzing these samples helps us understand the processes that shaped not just the moon, but also our planet. The moon serves as a time capsule, preserving evidence from the early solar system that we cannot find on Earth. It holds clues to the conditions that prevailed when our solar system was forming, offering insights into planetary formation processes that can inform our understanding of exoplanets in other star systems. Recent research suggests that the moon may have formed from the debris of a colossal impact between the early Earth and a Mars-sized body. This event not only created the moon, but also significantly impacted Earth's geology and atmosphere. As we look to the future, the moon remains a focal point for exploration. Upcoming missions aim to establish a sustainable human presence, utilizing the moon as a launchpad for deeper space exploration, including potential missions to Mars. The lunar surface may provide valuable resources, such as water ice and minerals, essential for future colonization efforts. In fact, the moon's polar regions are believed to harbor water ice in permanently shadowed craters, a vital resource for future astronauts. Harnessing this water could support life and fuel further exploration into the solar system. This prospect opens exciting possibilities for long-term human habitation on the moon, turning it into a stepping stone for missions beyond. The moon is a testing ground for new technologies and techniques that will be vital for future missions. Building a lunar base can help us understand how to live and work on other celestial bodies, paving the way for human exploration of Mars and beyond. The lessons we learn from the moon will inform our journey into the depths of space as we prepare for the challenges of long-duration missions. By developing life support systems and sustainable habitats on the moon, we can gather invaluable data that will enhance our understanding of what it takes to live on other planets. The moon also continues to inspire us on a personal level. Its beauty has sparked creativity in art, music, and storytelling, connecting us across cultures and generations. The moon has been depicted in countless works of art, from the delicate brushstrokes of Van Gogh to the poetic verses of countless writers. As we look up at the night sky, the moon serves as a reminder of our shared humanity, urging us to dream and explore. Its phases have inspired everything from songs to literature, creating a rich tapestry of cultural expression that celebrates its influence on human emotions and experiences. The moon's impact on our psyche is profound, evoking feelings of nostalgia, wonder, and contemplation. The moon has been a symbol of mystery and inspiration in human culture. It reflects our dreams, fears, and aspirations, reminding us of our place in the universe. Its phases have influenced calendars, rituals, and even navigation, showcasing its integral role in human history. The moon's impact on agriculture, timekeeping, and religious practices highlights how profoundly it has shaped our civilizations. Various cultures have developed lunar calendars based on the moon's cycles, illustrating its significance in agricultural practices and cultural rituals. For many, the new moon signifies new beginnings, while the full moon is associated with culmination and fulfillment. As we gaze at the moon, we are reminded of our shared human experience. It stands as a testament to our curiosity and desire to explore the cosmos, inviting us to reach for the stars and ponder the possibilities that lie beyond our home planet. The moon is not just a distant object. It is a symbol of human achievement, a canvas for our imagination, and a frontier waiting to be explored. In every phase and every rise, It whispers the secrets of the universe, encouraging us to seek knowledge and adventure. The journey of understanding our moon is ongoing, and as we continue to reach out, it will undoubtedly reveal even more of its mysteries, igniting the fires of curiosity in generations to come.